Good morning and salutations, y'all. Today we got a Zildjian, about 60s era ride, about 20 inches. But as you can tell, we got some damage right here. We're gonna repair that out. We're gonna cut that crack out, as well as the keyholing. See if we get a closer look. There's keyholing right there. There's a little crack right there, right there. And then boom, this guy right here, we're gonna get rid of all that damaged area. So before we do, let's give a little sound test. Don't sound too bad, but let's fix this baby up. Alright, y'all, we're back with the Zildjian. Where the hell's the stamp at? Down there it goes. Right there. Kaboom. Zildjian Beta's ride. And as you can tell, we repaired the keyholing. Keyholing is now repaired. And also as well as a crack on the outside. It's now as smooth as butter. So let's give this simple little sound test.